So it's not redundant?
The section 501 of the amendment gives it to everybody. This provision is, as I understood the instructions, was to eliminate the 3 categories and make one category applicable to everybody.
Well, that wasn't the instruction, but,
Yeah.
okay. Definitely not the instruction.
But, City Attorney, along those same, I mean, we can't change federal law, we can't change state law, we can't change what these acts that are in place and what somebody actually can put forth a cause of action. And so if you remove what the causes of action and rights they have and these things they're protected to, and you kind of make it to where it's just carte blanche and it applies to all individuals, which it doesn't because it only applies to those protected class under those acts, it would almost seem to perpetuate litigation and lawsuits with people believing and fully believing that they have a cause of action for discrimination when it's just not applicable by the federal or state law. Couldn't that create that situation?
This ordinance has no effect on federal or state laws.
Exactly.
This ordinance is applicable in the jurisdiction of the city of Northport.
Correct. But what it's doing is saying you have the ability to file a lawsuit. And so if you're filing a lawsuit, what law are they going to go to as far as if you go to the Age Discrimination Employment Act, that is defined in the state. That is defined federally. So if there's a cause of action here in the city of Northport, I'm just looking to find what mechanism and under what act and what protections are these folks going to be afforded if it's not provided for in state or federal.
It is provided in state and federal.
Yeah.
The only ones that are not are the 3 that were added in 2015 of the Northport Ordinance.
Right.
Everything else would go to the appropriate court based on the federal and state laws.
Which covers housing, employment, and the public accommodations and those particular things, but it doesn't cover areas outside of that somebody may believe that they are discriminated against.
Mayor.
That's all I'm asking.
I think that we can probably eliminate about another hour and a half of this